Sustainability means different things to different people. For a brand owner, it's about embracing a shifting consumer trend and satisfying the demand of a more sustainable packaging as consumers seek alternatives to plastic. This is great news for the corrugated industry because it means opportunity. But for companies like yours, sustainability takes a different meaning. How do I respond to my customers' increasing demands and still remain profitable? How do I cope with shorter runs and more production orders? Technology has a huge role to play in developing a sustainable future for all. Being equipped with the right tools to control process and quality, as well as having the right level of automation and accuracy in the manufacturing and production processes, is just one way of protecting your bottom line and keeping your customers happy. At EFI, we have the only complete solution in the corrugated industry. Say hello to happy customers. Say hello to the EFI Corrugated Packaging Suite. A critical aspect of maintaining happy customers is to be able to accurately predict the date their order can be delivered to them. As you can see on the screen, this order is being entered here. The customer has requested the 10th. Our corrugated business system, CBS, analyzes the data from across the plant and considers the load, then instantly returns a feedback to your plant customer service rep, stating it cannot be delivered until the 12th. Well, let's take a look at how this is possible, and probably as importantly, how accurate is the promise date. Well, it's impossible to ask for a promise date without a dynamic scheduling system that has a robust knowledge of what's planned to be manufactured, available machine time, reserved machine time, and alternate routing possibilities. Stepping into the scheduler's office, that's exactly what we have in CorePlan. Here in CorePlan, we see a live schedule that is able to be constantly evaluated and load balanced by running a rules-based planning algorithm and/or by simple manual intervention. Importantly, CorePlan can accept alternative routes from the business system, or if the business system is unable to do so, CorePlan will intelligently determine alternative routing, maintaining that load balance, and optimizing the manufacturing machine efficiency. Jumping from the scheduler's desktop out to the plant floor, we can see that machine data is being captured in real time. Orders go from setup to run, and then from run into downtime, and hopefully back to run. Average setup times and run rates are captured and fed back into the plant's central schedule in real time. Going back into the scheduler's office, this means that when CorePlan predicts that this order will start at 4:03 a.m., take 23 minutes to set up, and 2 hours and 12 minutes to run, it's completely trustworthy. Now, with that understanding of what's going on under the hood, as it were, let's go back to the customer service rep entering orders. What's really happening is that the quantity requested of this spec is being tested against the production schedule as it is, real time. So this answer is remarkably reliable, and throughout the day as the schedule changes and things open up, order promising is aware in real time. Certainly the customer service rep can look and see where the bottlenecks are if that's helpful. Or of course, if the customer is accommodating and picks a date that suits, that's another way of it being resolved. Another feature of order promising is that it's a web-based software platform, which means it can be accessed by any form of tablet or smartphone. The user would come into a simple screen where the question can be asked, when can I deliver a particular customer order? We enter the spec ID, we enter the quantity, and we're told when that can be produced at the earliest opportunity. And then also any bottlenecks, just so we have visibility into why the question's been answered the way it has. Order promising also has the ability to look at the load on our plant, again in real time. This backlog view is often displayed during production meetings, so everyone can see which days are fully booked, which days are open, and which ones are getting close. This real-time data is being pulled directly from CorePlan. Order promising in daily use is amazingly simple for operators. The heavy lifting is done in the background, giving you the ability to deliver on time and profitably. When you run CorePlan with order promising, you also have the ability to apply reservations for machine time. This means that if a production specification is not yet finalized, but it's known what machine or machines the production is likely to be made on, the system allows the planner to allocate a slot in the schedule, which ensures that customer promise dates are maintained and the slots are considered in the overall load balancing equation. Lastly, the integrated logic used in this solution also considers the back-end processes by being able to incorporate shipment planning into the timing constraints. This allows the business system to have a holistic view of the entire plant. Smart planning decisions can be made instantaneously to minimize machine downtime and maintain order promise dates for customers. And with the EFI shipment planning module, you can also utilize your trailers in a super efficient way, saving you money on transport costs and reducing your carbon footprint. Order promising is best optimized as part of an integrative end-to-end solution, utilizing our Corrugated business system. It can, however, be made available with just the planning and plant floor modules with integration to any or all industry-specific and legacy business systems. This makes it completely flexible to incorporate into existing plant infrastructure and technology.